Hello everybody, I am Cubastic. Today I'm shooting this video at home and I have a very cool puzzle to solve. But I don't have it in my hands, because it doesn't even exist yet. I'm going to print it today with my 3D printer. So guys, back me up, subscribe to my channel. Let me remind you, if at least one of my videos will reach 100,000 likes, I'm going to print a full functional Rubik's Cube with my 3D printer. And then I'm going to try to speed solve it. So subscribe and hit the like button. Well, now we're going to make our puzzle. Let's go! I found one of the most popular and beautiful puzzle for today's video. I don't know why I've chosen it, it attracted me for some reason, so I decided to print it out today. It is a puzzle by Make Anything YouTube channel. I found it on the internet. It looks like this. It is a simple frame with blocks. The technology of this puzzle is similar to the usual 15 puzzle. We need to get the prisoner out of prison by moving these blocks. So we need to do a prison break. Now we choose the right color of plastic and start printing. Here we go. As you can see, we need to use different colors for some parts of this model, but my printer doesn't have a special mechanism to serve several colorful plastics at once. But there is one little life hack here, and we're going to change the color of the plastic during the printing process. All we need to do is to pause the printing at the right time, and then we have to change the coil manually with our own hands. The long-awaited moment has finally arrived, and it's time for me to solve this puzzle. But first, let's look at it closely. This is my first multicolored 3D print. I really like it and I'm really happy with the result. I have a feeling this puzzle is going to be a lot more difficult and interesting than it looks, although it does look very simple. So, first we built our prison, and then we put the prisoner in it. What we need to do is to move the blocks like this to get our prisoner out of the prison. I am a little overwhelmed with excitement because it's a puzzle that I've printed on my own, and now I have to solve it for the first time. I haven't solved this puzzle yet, I've never seen it ready-made. As usual, I'm going to time it. And you can traditionally write comments right now, how much time you think it will take me to solve this puzzle. So let's get started. It's a lot of fun to solve puzzles, but making them with our own hands, it's actually much more exciting. It turned out well, he escaped in 10 seconds, but as you can see, the form of our prison have changed. And it has to remain the frame as it was in the beginning. I don't know how to do it yet. Now we need to swap these two details. I put him back in prison. So wait. Let's think logically. How can we keep this frame here? We need to move these two details somehow. I want to pay my respect for the man who makes such puzzles. I'm going to do it in the future. I promise that someday I will make my own puzzle. I will model it fully by myself, print it out with a 3D printer and try to solve it. I hope I can do something like this, something really awesome, but for now I have to solve puzzles that someone else has already created. I will get there, but a little later. Okay, so far I've done something like this, but then we need to swap these details again. Oh, I've almost swapped them. No, now we have to push this here. You see, it's not easy. But it looked so easy. I can't do it! I need one more free row to do some kind of manipulation. But I think it's possible.
Boom!
I did it! Guys, listen up. Okay, stop. 5 minutes and 8 seconds. It's a good result, a very good result. I don't know what you feel, but I felt so many remarkable emotions solving this puzzle. Not because it's difficult, it's not, but because I created this puzzle by myself. Well, not really by myself, but with this device. But unfortunately, I didn't invent the puzzle with my brain yet, and I didn't model it, I just found a 3D model online. By the way, write in your comments if you like this puzzle. But someday I think you and I are going to get to the point where I design a puzzle or a game on my own and I try to solve it or play in it. It's up to you and the number of likes and subscription to my channel, so subscribe if you haven't already done it. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you all so much for watching, I really enjoyed making this video for you and I hope you enjoyed watching it as much. Thank you so much for watching, I'll see you again very soon. This was Cubastic, bye and have a good time!